2022-03-26 at 03-3200. This is Wrinkle Care. See the very dry. The temperature lowest possible. The signal off. That's the auto signal with the flow sense. Flow sense. You know, and so Wrinkle Care. This ended a little bit ago, but it is. When I walked in, it's coding on this right here for the estimated time remaining. So I have no idea if the permapress casual Wrinkle Care is actually working or if that just is like it ran out. It clearly has power. It didn't go reset to 0, so, and didn't zero out this part either. So I'm not sure. This might be update 1 of 2. 1 second. Okay, after directly opening the hatch, see the hatch is open. After doing that, this part right here is black. And there's no, but like a different color black than it looks like it usually would be. Usually that seems like it's more gray, but like the rest, but I might just be wrong. And the shirts seem fine and dry. See, here's the shirts. V-neck undershirts, just white. They were not ironed, so the Wrinkle Care does not seem to have done much to me. I mean, maybe it did, but I think it might have hit an error because there's too much power draw right now because of the heater and no heat with essential heat, but heater in my room and such. That may be what's happening. Because it usually never has a little circle thing when it's done doing something. That's like a loop. And it was not functioning when I walked up. Here's some model information. Here's some more model information. And there's the final model information. Again, it's 2022 03-26 at 03-36.